There is a question in comments from Sridhar, and he's asking about how they can implement Agentforce into public sector agencies to determine case assignment based on case description. I'm going to let you respond.
Yeah. So when it comes to regulated industries, it's a, you need to be extremely careful, right? I love that use case of leveraging AI in order to like help with that case intake, routing, and things of that nature, structuring that data, simplifying it for your users while giving you the structure you need in the back end in order to like service that need. Now, one thing to call out is, and I'm not a security expert at Salesforce. I'm not speaking on Salesforce, like on behalf of Salesforce, but so with Agentforce, they're not obfuscating the PII data when leveraged within an agent when sending it to your LLM in order to do so. There's a security aspect potentially there that, for instance, that may be specific to your organization, right? With prompt templates, they are. So if you leverage prompt templates, they obfuscate PI data before leveraging the LLM. However, on the Agentforce platform itself, it is not doing that. That's something to keep in mind when you're doing these types of ingestion. So if it's in a description, you might be a little bit safer as they may not be using company names or credit card information, but you need to be really careful on how you go about it, in my opinion.
Great. This is very interesting, and thank you for addressing that. I certainly see security as a pretty huge area, particularly for PubSec customers. We've worked with a few, we've talked to some of them, and it's definitely a really top priority. And then anybody in regulated sector, of course, and outside as well.